Fresh daily challenge, no feedback yet. Accept cookies first, then focus the search field and type a popular distinctive title to get a broad starting point. I'll wait for suggestions before selecting. Type card is green for my Inception guess, which was a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year card is red with up arrow, target is newer than 2010 by more than 2 years, so 2013 or later. Rating card is red with down arrow, target MDB rating is lower than 8.8 by more than 0.5 below 8.3. No genre pills action, adventure, sci-fi are highlighted green. No actors DiCaprio, Gordon-Levitt, Page or director null and highlighted. Constraints, movie, year newer than 2012, rating under 8.3, not necessarily action/adventure/sci-fi, no overlap with Inception cast or Nolan. Avoid repeating Inception. Type green confirm target medium equals movie. Year red up arrow, target newer than 2012. Rating red down arrow, below 8.3. No genre/actor/director overlap with Inception. I'll guess Joker 2019, a movie, newer than 2012, rating 8.4 close, but let me probe a popular newer film with different cast/director. Joker rating is 8.4, slightly above 8.3, but useful to triangulate year and rating. Typing and waiting for suggestions. Type card is green for Joker a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year card is red with up arrow, target newer than 2019 by more than 2 years, so 2022 or later. Rating card shows 8.3 with down arrow red/yellow, target rating is lower than 8.4 below ~7.9. Genres, crime and drama are green on target, thriller is grey not on target. No actor overlap Phoenix, De Niro, Beats not on target. No director overlap Todd Phillips not on target. Constraints, movie, year 2022 or later, rating below ~7.9, includes crime and drama genres but not thriller. Avoid repeating Joker and Inception. Type green confirms target medium equals movie. Year red up arrow from 2019, target 2022 or later. Rating 8.3 down arrow, below ~7.9. Crime and drama green, thriller gray. I guess Killers of the Flower Moon 2023, a crime/drama movie newer than 2019. Rating ~7.6 fits constraints well. Typing short fragment and waiting for dropdown. Type card is green for Killers of the Flower Moon a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year card is yellow 2023 with up arrow, target is within 2 years and newer, so 2024 or 2025. Rating card is red 7.6 with down arrow, target rating is below ~7.1. Genres, crime and drama are green on target, history is grey not. No actor overlap DiCaprio, De Niro, Gladstone not on target. No director overlap Scorsese not on target. Constraints, movie, year 2024 or 2025, rating below ~7.1, crime and drama genres but not history/thriller, not Scorsese. Avoid repeating Killers of the Flower Moon, Joker, Inception. Type green confirms target medium equals movie. Year yellow 2023 up arrow, target 2024 or 2025. Rating red 7.6 down arrow, below ~7.1. Crime plus drama green, history gray. I need a 2024/2025 crime plus drama movie, with rating below 7.1, no Scorsese/DiCaprio/De Niro/Gladstone. Let me try a recent crime drama. Actually I'll guess a 2024 film. Typing Sinners to check the dropdown. Type card is green for Sinners a movie, so target median equals movie. Year card is yellow 2025 with down arrow, target within 2 years and older, so 2023 or 2024. Rating card is red 7.5 with down arrow, target rating below ~7.0. Genres, horror is grey not on target. No actor overlap Michael B. Jordan, Haley Steinfeld, Miles Catton, Jack O'Connell, Wunmi Masaku. No director overlap Ryan Coogler. Combined with prior, crime plus drama green from earlier, not horror, not history, not thriller. Constraints, movie, year 2023 or 2024, rating below ~7.0, crime and drama genres. Avoid Sinners, Killers of the Flower Moon, Joker, Inception. Type green, target medium equals movie. Sinners 2025 year card yellow, with down arrow means target is older, within 2 years, so 2023 or 2024. Rating 7.5 down arrow, target below ~7.0. Earlier crime plus drama were green. The screenshot shows the dropdown is empty. My previous Sinners guess registered as guess 4. I need a 2023/2024 drama movie, with rating below 7.0. Let me try The Brutalist 2024, a drama. Typing and waiting longer for the dropdown to populate, then I'll select and submit next. Type card is green for The Brutalist a movie, so target median equals movie. The feedback row shows type green movie. Genres, only drama is green on target, crime from earlier was green too. Note, this row's genre shows drama green. No actor overlap Adrian Brody, Felicity Jones, Guy Pearce. No director overlap Brady Corbett. A pixelated poster hint appeared showing 2 figures against a light blue sky with a red base. Combined constraints. Movie. Year 2023-2024. Rating below tilde 7.0. Drama and earlier crime green. Not horror/history/thriller. Poster shows two people. Light/blue background. Avoid the brutalist. Sinners. Killers of the Flower Moon. Joker. Inception. Type green. Target medium equals movie. The Brutalist 2025 year card is yellow with down arrow. Target older within 2 years, so 2023 or 2024. Rating 7.5 red down arrow. Target below tilde 7.0. Only drama genre confirmed green crime green earlier too. I'll try Anora 2024, an acclaimed drama. Wait, Anora rating is 7.5 so may not fit below 7.0. Let me reconsider. I need 2023/2024 drama rating below 7.0. Actually let me probe with a 2024 drama. Typing Anora to see dropdown. I'll pick and submit next turn based on what appears. Type card is green for Anora a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year card is green. 2024 target is exactly 2024. Rating card is red 7.6 with down arrow. Target rating is below tilde 7.1. Genres. Drama is green on target. Comedy and romance are gray not on target. No actor overlap Mikey Madison, Paul Weissman, Yura Borisov. No director overlap Sean Baker. Constraints. Movie. Year exactly 2024. Rating below tilde 7.1. Drama genre, but not comedy/romance/horror/history/thriller crime with green earlier, so likely crime plus drama. Avoid Anora, The Brutalist, Sinners, Killers of the Flower Moon, Joker, Inception. Type green. Target medium equals movie. Anora year card green 2024 target is exactly 2024. Rating red 7.6 down arrow, below tilde 7.1. Drama green, comedy/romance gray. Crime green from earlier. So target, 2024 crime plus drama movie, rating below 7.1, not comedy/romance. The Order 2024 is a crime/drama/thriller with Jude Law, rating tilde 6.9 fits. Typing to open drop down. Type card is green for the Order movie, so target medium equals movie. Year card is green. 2024 target is exactly 2024. Rating card is yellow/orange 6.8 with down arrow. Target rating is within 0.5 and lower, so roughly 6.3 to 6.8. Genres. Crime and drama are green on target. Thriller is gray not on target. No actor overlap Jude Law, Nicholas Hoult, Ty Sheridan. No director overlap Justin Kurzel. Constraints. Movie. Year exactly 2024. Rating about 6.3-6.8. Crime and drama genres but not thriller, not those actors/director. Avoid The Order, Anora, The Brutalist, Sinners, Killers of the Flower Moon, Joker, Inception. Target medium equals movie type green. Year 2024 green exactly 2024. Rating 6.8 yellow down arrow. Target tilde 6.3-6.8. Crime plus drama green. Thriller gray not on target. Need a 2024 crime plus drama movie. Rating tilde 6.3-6.8. Not thriller. Conclave is drama but not crime. Rating 7.4 too high. Let me reconsider. I'll try The Biker Riders 2024. A crime plus drama. Rating tilde 6.6. Fit well and not thriller. Changing query to Biker Riders. The screenshot shows my last guess was actually Conclave not Biker Riders. Poster reads Conclave with Ralph Fiennes, Stanley Tucci, John Lithgow, director Edward Verger. Type card green. Target median equals movie. Year 2024 green. Exactly 2024. Rating card is red/yellow 7.4 with down arrow. Target rating below tilde 6.9. Genres. Drama green on target. Thriller gray not on target. No actor overlap Ralph Fiennes, Stanley Tucci, John Lithgow. No director overlap Edward Verger. A choose your hint modal is open guess 8 reached. I will pick reveal an actor per policy. Constraints. Movie. 2024. Rating below tilde 6.9. Crime plus drama crime from earlier, not thriller. Avoid Conclave, The Order, Anora, Brutalist, Sinners, Killers, Joker, Inception. Target medium equals movie type green. Conclave 2024 green. Rating 7.4 down arrow so target below tilde 6.9. Drama green. Thriller gray. I'm on guess 8 and the choose a hint button is visible. Per policy I must pick reveal actor. Clicking choose a hint. To open the hint options, then I'll select reveal actor. Target median equals movie type green. Year 2024 green confirmed. Conclave rating 7.4 with down arrow. Target below tilde 6.9. Drama green. Thriller gray not thriller. Crime green from earlier. So target. 2024 crime plus drama. Rating tilde 6.3-6.8. Not thriller. The Apprentice 2024 about Donald Trump and Roy Cohn is a drama/biography. Rating tilde 7.1 close. Better fit. A 2024 crime plus drama. Let me try The Apprentice as a strong candidate. Typing to open drop down. Then we'll pick and submit. Type card green for The Apprentice movie. Target median equals movie. Year 2024 green. Rating 7.1 with down arrow. Target below tilde 6.9. Genres. Drama green. Biography and history gray not on target. No actor overlap Sebastian Stan, Jeremy Strong. No director overlap Ali Abbasi. Crucial. The synopsis is now revealed. After a chance encounter, headstrong Kathy is drawn to Benny, member of Midwestern motorcycle club The Vandals. As the club transforms into a dangerous underworld of violence, this is The Biker Riders 2024, directed by Jeff Nichols, starring Austin Butler, Jodie Comer, Tom Hardy. Rating tilde 6.7. Crime plus drama. Fits all constraints. Avoid The Apprentice, Conclave, etc. Target medium equals movie type green. 2024 confirmed, rating below 6.9, drama green, crime green earlier. The revealed synopsis described Kathy drawn to Benny in the Midwestern Motorcycle Club The Vandals, that is the Biker Riders 2024, crime/drama, rating tilde 6.7, directed by Jeff Nichols. This fits all constraints. Typing Biker Riders to open the drop down so I can select and submit. Got it, the answer was the Biker Riders from 2024, and I cracked it on Des 10. The type card kept confirming it was a movie, the year locked in on exactly 2024, and the crime plus drama genre combo with a rating drifting down toward 6.6 narrowed the field. The clincher was the revealed synopsis about Kathy, Benny, and the Vandals Motorcycle Club, which pointed straight to Jeff Nichols' biker drama. A tight finish, but a win.